Hello guys. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today, we're going to know about the 10 most expensive private jets in the world. Number 10. Gulfstream III. This beautiful business jet belongs to an American producer, actor and director, Tyler Perry, which is worth $125 million. Number 9. Boeing 767-300. This Boeing is owned by Russian billionaire and former Chelsea Football Club owner Roman Abramovich. He purchased a private jet for $170 million in 2004. Number 8. Boeing 740-300. The Sultan of Brunei owned this expensive Boeing. The Boeing is a masterpiece of luxury aviation, initially costing $100 million. The Sultan spent an additional $120 million on customizations. Number 7. Boeing 787-800. The Boeing alone costs $225 million before customization. A Chinese aviation company, H&A Group, paid more than $100 million to create an ultra-luxurious interior. Number 6. Airbus ACJ350 Custom. Lufthansa Technik, a company that offers aircraft repair and modification services, before remodeled this Airbus ACJ350. It was worth $326 million. The jet's owner spent an undisclosed amount of money to customize the interiors. Number 5. Boeing 787-800 VIP. Chinese real estate tycoon Joseph Lau has this Boeing 787-800 VIP model. He paid $150 million for the private plane, but it is now worth $367 million after his customizations. Number 4. Boeing 747-800 VIP. The fourth most expensive private jet in the world is owned by Joseph Lau, a Hong Kong billionaire and real estate tycoon. Number 3. Airbus A340-300. Russia's richest man, Alisher Usmanov, paid $238 million for this Airbus A340-300. Experts estimate that he spent an additional $362 million customizing the interiors. Number 2. Airbus A380. Saudi Prince Al-Walid bin Talal Al Saud, owner of the second most expensive private jet in the world, a bespoke Airbus A380. The Prince ordered the aircraft in 2007. Number 1. Air Force One. At the top of our list is Air Force One, the official private jet of the President of the United States,